Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Oh wow, it just turned into WXL36 a minute before the scheduled weekly test time, and they happen to be off the air. Looks like WNG634 is still on.